There are so many applications for rivets that there is a variety of types and tools for doing the riveting. The concertina rivet gun, sometimes called lazy tongs, puts larger rivets in heavy materials. Riveting pliers are convenient for occasional riveting of light materials. The rivet goes into this riveting tool, which will pull this end of the mandrel back through the body of the rivet. Because the head is bigger than the hole through the body, it'll swell out as it comes through. Finally, the mandrel will snap under the pressure and fall out, leaving the rivet body gripping the two sheets of aluminium together. This is a typical pop or blind rivet. It has a body which will form the finished rivet, and this mandrel which will be discarded when the riveting's done. It's called blind because there's no need to see or reach the other side of the hole in which the rivet goes to do the work. In some, the rivet is plugged shut, so it's waterproof or pressure-proof.